Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AppsTechAcademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple emails from your Gmail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gmail website from which you might need to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now once you are logged in, you will be taken into your inbox from which you can delete as many number of emails as you want by selecting them using the checkbox. Just click on the checkbox alongside the emails that you wish to delete, and once you are done selecting all your emails, click on the delete button at the top section. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these emails. Now if you change your mind, you can click on the more option at the left side and then click on the recycle bin. From the recycle bin, you will find all of your emails that you have recently deleted. Now you can use the checkbox to select all of these emails or some of them that you want to recover, and then click on the snooze option at the top section to move them out of the deleted list. You can also click on the move to option and you will be able to move these emails into your inbox page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete multiple emails on your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.